Did you know Boston wears an emerald necklace? A what? A necklace of urban parks and ponds designed by Frederick Law Olmsted Sr. more than 100 years ago. Today, the 6 parks in the system are a backyard for the city residents, with over 1 million visitors each year. In 1874, one of the largest ponds, Jamaica Pond, was home to an ice company. It also hosted a winter ice carnival, but in 1929, when cracks appeared in the ice, 50,000 skaters were evacuated. Ice skating's no longer permitted there, but art is. I was lucky to visit Jamaica Pond while Fujiko Nakaya's Fog Times Flow installation poured to life. On the hour and the half hour between dusk and dawn, non-chemical fog spilled into natural bowls and down hillsides to the delight of all. And here I go, walking into the fog. Wow!
I hear some.
I know.
On for only a few minutes, the fog disappeared in moments. This phenomenon repeats through October 31st in 2018. Boston's Emerald Necklace is laced with trails home to the Arboretum and Zoo, plus much more. Open year-round, the parks offer a quiet rest from the busy city, and if you're lucky, a few moments in a magical space. Plan your Boston visit at emeraldnecklace.org. I'm Elaine Masters. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. You'll never miss another story.